Domino provides governance and a single entry point to all of your data, making it easy to connect to external sources, version large data, or share features and training sets. Our Data Sources feature provides connectors for rapid, secure access to over 33 external data sources, including those supported by Starburst and Trino. And if your data source isn't available in our connectors, we're constantly adding new options, and direct connections are available for virtually any data source. It takes just a few clicks to set these up, and you can reuse them in any project. Admins can also choose to share service accounts or just the data source configuration, and audit trails are automatically created for each connection. Every time you start a code session or register a model, the record of which data sources you used will be saved. Accessing your data is easy, since Domino's Data Access Library unifies the code needed for disparate data types through SQL syntax. You won't need to download multiple drivers or look up different code snippets to pull various data sources into the same notebook or script. In fact, we've made it easy to copy and paste the code you need directly in Domino's code sessions. In addition to connecting to external data, Domino provides low latency, shareable, and version-controlled internal file storage in our datasets feature. I can organize these into any folder structure I need and bring in any file type. Permissions are set separately from the project, so you can easily test code on hidden validation sets and never have to worry about accidentally sharing data. You can also connect to external volumes, including EFS, NFS, and SMB, and Domino. Just like with our other data support, you have fine-grained control over which users have read and write access, and a single pane of glass into how these are used. Lastly, Domino has a built-in feature store using out-of-the-box support for Feast, the emerging open-source standard. It's easy for users to discover and share features in projects or code sessions, giving your organization a single source of truth for calculating important features, driving reuse and consistency. In addition to bringing all of your data objects under a single pane of glass, we have tools and integrations to make data preparation and wrangling easier. Domino's Code Assist gives you a point-and-click wizard to generate open-source Python and R code for loading, transforming, and visualizing data. We also have integrations with code generation extensions, including Jupyter AI and GitHub Copilot. Now that you've seen how to work with data in Domino, check out our features on the rest of the AI and ML Ops lifecycle.